A cortado is not equal parts espresso and milk. Okay, it's a 4-ounce glass, typically served in what's called a Gibraltar glass. And I brought one here on a scale just to show that there is more milk in a cortado than espresso. I know it's just a kitschy, helpful way to explain what a cortado is to a guest, but the reality is a cortado is just a small milk drink. It could probably get paired up in the Piccolo, Gibraltar, flat white group. It's just a little bit of milk with some espresso. And that's great. It's a great drink. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. Simple ingredients, it's espresso and milk. Because it's a little bit less milk, typically you can go a little lower temp just to keep your sweetness of milk kind of high. So instead of like a 145 for a cappuccino or a latte, maybe I'll steam something in like the 125, 135 range. And if you're making drinks at home or in a cafe, I'd recommend getting a thermometer so you can keep track of what you're dishing out. And when it comes to texturing your cortado, I'd say, the wetter, the thinner, the better. So we're not gonna give it too much air, just a little bit at the top, and then let that air integrate into our milk, get it nice and steamy. I'll check my tempi, 135. Hard thing with cortados, if you're a environmentally sound individual, it kind of hurts your heart every time to pour out a little bit of milk when you're making a cortado, but show me a better way. That's all I'll say. We're still learning out here, but if you're trying to get good microfoam and you only have about 3 ounces to play with, that's a tricky journey. So sometimes people pour out a little bit of milk just to make space in your pitcher. Dun, 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 dun. Oh baby, 40 grams of espresso, 80 grams of milk. You be the judge, okay? I'm just giving you the cold hard facts. And now if we want to see if we can zoom in, you can see there's just a little line of foam. Nothing crazy. Yeah, cortados just have a little bit more bite to them. They're just stronger, less milk. So if you want to start getting closer to drinking straight espresso or cut back on your milk, cortado could be the drink for you. And that's a cortado. And this has been a cortado. Thank you for watching Cortado.